Welcome to the Building Construction Technologies program here at the Chatham Main campus in Pittsburgh. We are a hands-on residential construction focused program that teaches students how to build by building. So every year with our cohort of students pursuing their certificate, their diploma, or their degree, we go out and we build a house. And in doing so, students learn how to cut wood, how to nail wood, how to measure wood, and how to know, using building science, that what they just built is a high performance quality construction. This skill set has landed our students in quality work where they're making great wages and entering a satisfying job market. So if you are a person that likes to learn by doing, check us out. We might be right for you.